NAD plus cell regenerator, nicotinamide riboside, get advanced defense against cellular aging 250 mg, 30 vegetarian capsules. Description: NAD plus cell regenerator promotes systemic youthful functions and boosts healthy cellular metabolism with a clinically studied dose of nicotinamide riboside, a patented compound that helps inhibit the age-related decline in NAD+, a coenzyme critical to healthy cellular metabolism. Benefits at a glance: supports healthy cellular metabolism and energy production, encourages youthful levels of NAD+, promotes youthful cognitive function in preclinical studies, supports healthy aging. More facts about NAD plus cell regenerator. If you are experiencing general fatigue and lack of motivation, it may be due to the age-related decline in NAD+ levels. NAD+ is found in every cell in your body, where it facilitates youthful, healthy cellular energy metabolism and other systemic youthful functions. This is our bestseller formula for promoting youthful levels of NAD+, and, with it, youthful cellular metabolism and energy. Nicotinamide riboside. Niacin increases cellular levels of NAD+, a coenzyme critical to healthy cellular energy production. This unique coenzyme is necessary to create adenosine triphosphate, ADP, the compound your body uses for fuel. In a randomized controlled trial published in 2017, older adults taking a daily dose of a formula that contained 250 mg of nicotinamide riboside led to a 40% increase in NAD+ levels after just 30 days. Evidence from preclinical studies indicates that increasing NAD+ also encourages healthy metabolic and cognitive function. Systemic youthful functions. NAD plus cell regenerator also promotes the activity of sirtuin, SIRT1 and SIRT3, essential proteins that work with NAD+ to promote healthy aging. It also enhances production and function of mitochondria, the cellular powerhouses that provide the energy you need to thrive. Note: not for resale. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Supplement facts. Serving size: 1 vegetarian capsule. Amount per serving: nicotinamide riboside 250 mg. Other ingredients: microcrystalline cellulose, vegetable cellulose, capsule, silica, vegetable stearate, non-GMO. Niacin is a registered trademark of Chromadex, Inc., Patent C, www.chromadexpatents.com. Dosage and use: take 1 capsule daily with or without food, or as recommended by a healthcare practitioner. Note: nicotinamide riboside does not cause flushing. Warnings: keep out of reach of children. Do not exceed recommended dose. Do not purchase if outer seal is broken or damaged when using nutritional supplements. Please consult with your physician if you are undergoing treatment for a medical condition or if you are pregnant or lactating. 20 mm x 6 mm. Click subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.